The drawers of sheet steel storage racks require manual operation. How does a fully automated robotic arm work in conjunction with this to achieve unmanned loading? The answer lies in this ingenious mechanical linkage design. First, the robotic arm gently depresses a wire with a special pin at its front end. When the wire becomes taut, it pulls on the locking pin at the front, causing it to instantly spring open. This unlocks the drawer and makes it movable. The robotic arm then pulls back, effortlessly pulling the entire drawer out. Once the drawer is in place, the locking pin automatically returns to its original position, securing it securely. The robotic arm suction cup then resumes its safe and stable suction operation. This completes the entire process, from unlocking, pulling, to loading. This purely mechanical linkage cleverly solves the core automation challenge. Sheet steel storage racks can also be integrated into the larger warehousing ecosystem. Forklifts are responsible for replenishing the temporary silo next to the machine from the centralized storage area, achieving efficient separation of storage, retrieval, and use.